What if one hug could save a broken heart? What if one kind person could change a life forever? A boy slept on the cold road with no one to love him. But one simple hug gave him a reason to live again. There was a teen boy named Leo. Leo was quiet. Leo was kind. But Leo was not happy. Leo had no mother. She died when he was very young. He did not remember her face well, but he remembered her hugs, soft, warm, safe. After some years, his father married again. Leo hoped for love again, but his stepmother was very cold. She did not smile at him. She did not talk kindly. She always found mistakes. "Why are you so slow? Why are you so useless? Why are you always like this?" Leo stayed quiet. He did not answer. He just looked down every time. His father saw everything, but he said nothing. He was silent, always silent. And that silence hurt Leo the most. One night, everything changed. It was late. Leo was tired. He made a small mistake at home. His stepmother became very angry. She shouted loudly, "I don't want you here anymore. Leave this house, go away!" Leo's heart started beating fast. He looked at his father, hoping he would say something, but his father stayed quiet. That silence broke Leo's heart. Leo slowly walked to the door. He opened it and stepped outside. The door closed behind him. That sound felt like the end of everything. The night was dark. The air was cold. Leo walked slowly on the empty road. No bag, no food, no home, only tears. He wiped his eyes, but they did not stop. He sat near the roadside. Cars passed. People passed. No one looked at him. No one asked, "Are you okay?" Leo hugged himself to feel warm, but it was not enough. He looked at the sky and whispered, "Mom, I miss you." That night, Leo slept on the hard road, cold, hungry, alone. Morning came. Leo woke up slowly. His body hurt. His eyes were red, but he still went to school because he had nowhere else to go. In school, he sat quietly. The teacher asked questions. "Leo, answer this!" Leo stood up, but no words came out. Students laughed. Leo sat down again. His heart felt heavy, very heavy. After school, Leo did not go home. He walked to a big tree. It was far from everyone. That tree became his place, his only place. Every day, he sat there alone. Every day, he cried quietly, so no one could hear him, so no one could see his pain. One day, a teen girl named Emma saw him. Emma was kind. She had a soft heart. She saw Leo sitting alone, with tears in his eyes. She felt something in her heart. She walked slowly to him. "Hey," she said softly, "don't cry, be strong. Everything will be okay." Leo looked down. He said nothing. Emma felt a little confused. Next day, she came again. "Life is hard," she said, "but you must fight. You are strong." Still, Leo said nothing. He kept looking at the ground. His heart was too broken. Her words could not reach him. Days passed. Emma kept trying. She spoke kind words. She gave advice. She tried to make him smile, but nothing worked. Leo kept crying. Emma felt sad. "Why can't I help him?" she thought. One evening, Emma was walking home slowly. She was thinking about Leo. Suddenly, she saw an old monk sitting near the road. He looked calm, peaceful. He looked at Emma and smiled. "Why are you sad, child?" he asked. Emma sat near him. She told him everything about Leo. "I try to help him," she said. "I give him good advice, but nothing works." The monk listened quietly. Then he said softly, "A wise man once said, 'Don't offer a lecture to a person who needs a hug.'" Emma became silent. She repeated the words in her mind. "Don't offer a lecture to a person who needs a hug." She looked at the monk. "What does that mean?" she asked. The monk smiled. "Sometimes," he said, "people are not looking for words. They are looking for warmth, for care, for love." Emma's eyes opened wide. She understood. Next day, Emma went to the tree again. Leo was there, as always, sitting, crying, alone. Emma walked slowly to him. This time, she said nothing. No advice, no big words. She just sat beside him, quietly. For a moment, there was only silence. Then slowly, Emma moved closer, and gently, she gave Leo a warm hug. Leo froze. He did not move. He did not understand. No one had hugged him for a long time. Then suddenly, his eyes filled with tears. But these tears were different. They were not just pain. They were relief. He started crying loudly. He held that hug tightly, like he did not want to lose it. For the first time in many days, he felt safe. For the first time, he felt seen. For the first time, he felt someone cared. Emma smiled softly. "You are not alone anymore," she said. "I am your friend." Leo slowly looked at her. His lips moved, but no words came out. Only a small, soft smile. From that day, everything changed. Leo still had no home. He still had no money. But now, he had something more important. He had a friend. They sat together under the tree. They talked. They shared food. They laughed. Emma helped him study. Leo slowly started answering in class. He started smiling more. His heart became lighter. Because someone cared. Leo was still poor, but he was not alone anymore. And that made all the difference. If this story touched your heart, please like this video and subscribe to English Story Academy for more simple and powerful life stories. Moral: sometimes people don't need words. They just need love.